Welcome back, guys. I am Vishwas. We are back with another video, and today we are going to create this using Buildbox Brainbox, and we will be working lots of things. So let's get started. So I have created an empty project. Let's click on the this cube, and we can scale this in x, y, and z direction, and we can position this here. I think we should change the color of the cube as well. Just double click on it and model, and after that just make it set or some light. I don't know. Let's say this one. And after setting this color, just go to the 3D world, and this looks fine. What you have to do is, after that you need a character. So for a 3D character, you can download a 3D character from Miximo, from poly.google.com, from Kine. So in Miximo, what you can do is you just have to select a character. Let's say I have selected this character, and you just have to click on use this character and go to the animation thing, and here you can choose any animation. Let's say stand. You can search the animation and you can choose your. So right now I chose this angry animation. You can choose this, or you let's say let's write poly.google.com. You can download any character or any object file, obj or fbx file, and animate that file here in Mixamo. Same goes with Kine as well. But in Kine you will get the whole game kit for free, like this nature character assets kit. You can get all this kit for free. So let's choose this run. Let's choose this run, and before downloading the whole thing, right now you can see the animation is repeating itself and repeating the position as well. So what you have to do is just click on in place. Now this looks fine, and after that you just have to click download fbx with skin none 30. Everything is fine. You just have to click download, and after that your file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded all these characters before, so I just have to do one thing. I will just go to my desktop and just double click on it and drag and drop. So let's say waving. I have downloaded a waving animation here, so you just have to drag and drop it here, and Buildbox will gonna take some time to import it. And once it gets imported, you can see a huge character here, a humongosaurus. What you have to do is just go to the scale, write 0.01, 0.01, and 0.01. This properly, and when you play this, okay, so there is a problem. We have to set this physics of the cube to stay. Now when you play this again, hey, hello, and I think we should scale this to 0.02, 0.02, so that you guys can see this properly. And that we just have to position this. Now you will find that right now she is just repeating the same, and she is repeating the animation. She is doing only one thing, waving her hand. Actually, she is not repeating her. She is not moving because we haven't added any nodes yet. So just click here and rename this. Uh, and after renaming this, just double click on actor and remove this waving and waving again. Make sure only start node should be here, and after that make this physics to dynamic. Go to 3D world. Now you will say, where is my character? What did you do with her? So I didn't do anything, and now we will be using Brainbox. So you just have to choose this character and click on add. Doing that, you can see there are lots of components here, lots of components, advanced platformer, movement, then physics, lots of things are here. So you just have to click on animated platformer, and in that animated platformer you can see this scene. Just click on the scene, edit the scene, choose your scene, choose your animation and save. Now yes, you can see your animation. You can see your character here, but now when you play this again, she will not move her hand, she is not waving, because we have not set this animation yet. So in animation you can see this idle. So in ideal you just have to set this, set it to waving, or from here you can set, or you can go here and you can set it to wave. Now when you play this again, now it is working fine. But there's one more thing you can see in looped thing. So if you uncheck this loop button, when you play this again, you will see the character is moving for only one time, and the animation is playing for only one time, and after that stop, everything stops. So to repeat the animation again and again, you just have to click on the loop, and now this is looking perfect. And you can choose any animation. I chose just to show you guys how things are working and how she is waving. And I think we should change the color of the ground a bit dark. Now when we go to this, actually color should change. Yes, this looks good. Now when you go to this 3D world, this looks good, this looks better. Now you have to download a few more animation, like you can see here: walk, run, falling, jumping, dying. So you can just go to the Miximo, you can choose your animation and you can download those animations. So I have downloaded few animation for the same character, like you can see fast run, standing, jump, idle, walking, waving. So I'll just drag and drop this walking here uh, as a character. And now when you just import, when you try to import that character, you will see a message, you will see a dialog box. That Buildbox is saying, hey, this is something similar to us, we know this file. So do you want us to create a new file? Do you want to replace the whole asset, or do you want to just modify the selected file and add animation in it? So I think right now I just want to add animation in this, and just want to modify the selected file. So just import it. Same we have to do this with fast run. Just drag and drop, import as a character and import. Then again just drag and drop jump, import as a character and import. And I think this is fine for now. So now what you have to do is, you just have to from here you can change, or you can go to the actor and you can change. So just in walk you can just select this walking one. In run you can select this fast run, and in jump you can select jump. Now just go to the 3D world, and when you play this again you'll see she is waving, but when you try to move she is not moving, she is not walking. So for that what we have to do is we have to select this again, and we have to click on add brain box again, and after that just click on keyboard controls. So what this keyboard control will do is it will allow you to move your character in every direction. So for if you want to move it into forward direction you have to press W, in backward direction you have to press S, in the left you have to press A, and in right you have to press D. And when you just click this you can see you can modify run key and jump key. So right now it's Z and X, and this is fine for me, but if you want to modify this you can modify this. Now when you play this again and when you press W it's moving. Yes, she is moving. I think let's remove this ground for now. We will be adding ground and working on the ground tomorrow. So now you can see she is moving properly, and she is running properly. But there is a problem. We need to add some friction here, and we are getting a warning here. So what we have to do is we just have to just go to our 3D world, select camera, and position follow should be character. And in this error what it is showing is, in this warning it is showing animated platformer Brainbox requires 0 angular rotation factor and setting to 0. So just go to the actor and just remove, just make this rotation factor to 0 0 and 0, and position factor to 0 0 and 0. Oops, 0. Let's see what will gonna happen. Now we will play this again, and moving right now. When you press Z it's moving again, when you remove it's moving again. So we need to add some friction I guess. But after that if we press X she will jump and she will fly. So there is a problem here. We do not want this. So for that what we have to do is position factor should be 1. Now when you play this again and when you press this X, this looks perfect. But and when you press W we need to fix the friction. So in friction just press 2.5. just check this 2.5 will gonna work or not. Okay, this looks fine, something fine. Now just go here and in walk speed make this to 6 and there is one more thing we have to do. Right now the jump force is 9.5. We have to make this to 5, let's say 5. And now when we play this is fine, this is perfect. Run. So this looks jump force should be 4.5. Now when you play this again X or 4.7 plus x. Yes, this looks blue. And to run, press and this is working properly. So that's all for today, guys. Try to replicate the whole project and tag us on Instagram. You can check out the link in the description, and just do let me know your feedback. We will be working more on this project. We will be adding lots of UIs, themes as well. We will be adding animations as well, and logics as well. We will try to create a game like Temple Run